Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will help you adjust your MK4 Golf handbrake, a simple yet vital maintenance task. A correctly adjusted handbrake ensures your vehicle remains secure when parked and contributes to overall driving safety. We will cover the process step by step, making it easy to follow along. You will primarily need a 10mm spanner and a flathead screwdriver. Remember to always prioritize safety by chalking your wheels and working on a flat, stable surface. Let's start with the adjustment inside the cabin. First, remove the rear ashtray and gently lift the center console trim to expose the handbrake mechanism. You will see a 10mm adjusting nut directly under the handbrake lever. Use your spanner to loosen the lock nut, then tighten the main adjusting nut. The goal is to achieve a firm handbrake engagement within 3 to 5 audible clicks of the lever, ensuring it holds securely without being too tight. If the console adjustment isn't sufficient, you might need to adjust the rear calipers. Safely raise the rear of your vehicle and remove the wheels. On the rear calipers, you will find a small star wheel adjuster. Using a flathead screwdriver, carefully turn this adjuster to take up any remaining slack. It is important to ensure the caliper piston is fully retracted before making this adjustment, allowing for proper handbrake function and preventing brake drag. Once you have completed the adjustments, it is time for testing. Lower your vehicle and find a safe, slight incline to test the handbrake's holding power. It should hold the car firmly without needing excessive force on the lever. Crucially, ensure the rear wheels spin freely when the handbrake is fully disengaged, indicating no brake drag. Finally, reassemble your center console trim and ashtray, making sure all components are securely in place. You are all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.